just gotta curl them and put mascara on.
You taking a picture or video?
Video.
Oh, I'm posing.
Hey. You always pose.
That sounds like Terry Clark.
No.
Who is this? It's not.
Brandy.
Brandy,
Or
yes.
Or Monica. Angela mine.
Okay.
Mom, are you crying?
Me? No. Sinuses.
What is it, Claire?
Oh, I got a key.
Do
I'm
you think
sorry.
you could do me a favor?
I can
What
do whatever
room
you
I'm
want.
supposed to be staying in tonight? It's here.
Have you already registered and stuff?
Yes.
You've checked in. You haven't checked
I
in.
don't know if he's checked in or not.
You can't check in until 3.
Well, I don't know, because I just put my bags in there.
Why don't you just leave your bags here and we'll take them for you?
Okay.
You don't have to worry about your bags. Somebody will be your concierge.
That was fun to fall apart, though. A little bit. I don't want to, like, miss one.
I think you should keep one straight.
For everyone.
The right is more curly than the left. Try again.
You mean over here?
Yes.
No.
No, I'm teasing you.
Okay, I was like, no, I don't think so. I think this is this. But no, it's actually. I have no way to do that. Yourself or someone else? Someone else. I think it's different. I can do that. That's maybe. Okay. What's the